Stuff a fucking slice of cheese in the top. Got a glass bottle in the fucking out of there, blow.
I'll get me a card there. Take the fucking cheese.
Fucking fire bottle. You got a petrol bomb, I want that. Get a petrol bomb on it.
Oh, they?
Oh, what are they?
Well,
Chuck them on.
the fucking turps in it. Yes.
Fuck it, this is dangerous.
But hey. Molotov cocktail. Get them on there.
With the match to go.
Smoke my.
Oh no.
What's that?
Hey, what's that?
Oh, brilliant.
Shut the door, shut the door.
Oh, been sick ages.
Not all the way, Lou.
Get him on.
Oh no. What you put on?
Shut the door then.
Good night.
Irene.
Tobias,
Lou, shut the door.
No, shut the door.
Fresh cream. Not all the way.
Hey!
Beans. Not all the way, Lou.
Oh, sorry, hey! Hey!
That's great.
I went for that one in the middle to go, I'm a big one.
Down.
What?
How much stuff we just chuck on there?
Hey! That was great!
That's all of them.
There's another one under your dick.
There's a tin of beans on it, innit? Like 10 on it.
That was the first thing that went. Beans as well.
What did you put on?
Beans.
Oh fuck, 2 things have gone off there, there's 2 more to go.
Hey!
The fence is on
Look at the fence!
Fucking hell.
What a cracking laugh.
Hey!
You moved the bike on! The bike moved! Blew his tire on the bike.
Biden's tamping.
Is that Biden's bike?
What? Hey. Not anymore. Fucking bro.